I learned some basics, and I improved my hand-eye coordination, speed, and control. This video is an excerpt from the book Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of Southeast Asia. The link to buy this book can be found on the description. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button for support this channel and get more videos about spirituality and wellness. Filipino martial arts, founded long before the Spanish arrived in 1521, and has numerous branches. Kali was taught at the various Filipino villages, and until the early 900s, was hidden to foreigners, or camouflaged as dance. These martial arts are so effective that it has been adopted by international special forces units. Filipino martial arts mostly use hard bamboo sticks, empty hands, and various bladed weapons. Arnis, Escrima, and Kali combat styles influenced each other, and all these martial arts belong to the FMA system. Somewhere on the rooftops of Manila, I met my Filipino trainer, and made some private lessons in single and double stick training. Kali is the oldest term. These martial arts were forbidden during the Spanish occupation, and the use of sticks came as a sword alternative. Like the Israeli Krav Maga, Kali, designed to be a practical fighting technique. Bruce Lee also understood that Filipino martial arts are very practical and effective, and integrated Kali into his Jeet Kune Do system. I learned some basics, and I improved my hand-eye coordination, speed, and control. Arnis teaches you discipline and control, is a full-body workout, and is great if you want to adapt in your MMA system, an effective weapon-based martial art.